What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We got our the most disturbing things caught on doorbell camera. That's what I need to get, a doorbell camera. Even though I'm at the apartment, but who gives a fuck? Cause I got packages that come to my door, and if somebody, one of these people in this complex, steal my package, it's over with. I got it on camera. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Yeah, y'all check out their page. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. Let's go get into it.
YouTuber Bree Estudillo mentioned that she installed a security camera due to her neighbor. According to Bree, this neighbor has a habit of approaching her home and peering through her window. While I can't confirm these claims, I do find it peculiar that he lingers at her front door for more than 30 seconds without knocking. According to Bree, he makes direct eye contact with her through the window and then hastily begins knocking, possibly as an attempt to conceal his actions. It's pretty creepy. He reportedly stated that he needs access to her backyard to reach a shared breaker box. However, it's worth noting that there appears to be a more straightforward route to the breaker box that doesn't require going through her backyard in the dark. Why would this need to happen in the dark? Bree alleges that he took photographs of her through the window on previous occasions, and he takes out his phone shortly before being discovered in this video. Do you think Bree is in danger? Let us know in the comments. In this footage captured by a Ring camera, a woman can be observed sprinting towards the front door, desperately seeking assistance. She pleads with someone to dial 911 and unlock the door for her.
Alright, I was zoned out.
Do you think Bree is in danger? Let us know in the comments.
Hell yeah, she in danger. Yeah, talking about some breaker box and all that shit, and taking pictures of her. I will count that as she's in danger. Cause one day he's gonna go in there and take it. I mean,
in this footage captured by a Ring camera, a woman can be observed sprinting towards the front door, desperately seeking assistance. She pleads with someone to dial 911 and unlock the door for her.
I mean, is that her truck? I was like, I'll call the cops. You gonna have to stay out there. I'm sorry, but you ain't coming in here and set me up.
Someone just tried to rob me.
Try to what?
Call the cops. Someone just tried to rob me.
Oh,
Please call 911.
I mean, if this is your truck, get in your truck and drive off. So what? I mean, what happened? Like, she just pulled up to the yard and then stopped right there. I mean, don't you think if somebody was following you behind your truck, don't you think you would drive to the police station? At least.
Could you please open the door?
I'm like, what the hell I'm gonna be able to do? What I'm gonna do? I can't help you at this point. I only can help myself.
Hello?
I've got a problem that I'm pretty sure you can help me with. Yes, you'll be paid for helping me. Actually paid.
In Redlands, California, surveillance footage captured a woman in the act of stealing mail at 2:45 a.m. She accessed the mailbox at a 4-unit residence and made off with mail belonging to all the residents.
Oh shit, she opened the whole thing where all the doors come down. I would not have no little door on the door. So something like that fox right there, come into my. Can't have a standoff. Can't say I'm too fast. Said play with it. Play with it. Okay, like I said, play with it. Can't say I ain't
Ultimately,
playing with
the
you.
hungry fox chose to back down and leave the cat be. In Tucson, Arizona, a woman was captured on a Ring camera engaging in harassment towards her neighbors.
It's another lovely night. We get to party because the Mexicans say so. Let's go!
What?
Come on! The Mexicans say let's get up and let's everybody who don't want to party.
Nobody don't want to party.
Meanwhile, in Washington, a man made an
Nobody don't want to party with you.
attempt to frighten a bear by donning a Halloween ghost costume, but it appears the endeavor was unsuccessful.
This dumb ass, like.
It's important to note that trying such a tactic with a
Look at this dude beard. This dude like animated.
bear,
Man, look at that dude beard. Like that joint like curled down and stuff. I never seen a beard like that.
is not advisable. In Rosedale, New York, it seems that he collided with a no outlet sign while trying to escape from a pursuing patrol car. The
Damn.
car was being pursued by a police vehicle.
Let me see your hands. Get out of the car. Let me see your hands. Get out of the car. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Walk towards me with your hands up. Walk towards me with your hands up. Come towards me. Right now.
In South Ozone Park, New York, yet another mailbox thief was captured by a Ring camera in the act of pilfering packages. He appears to be behaving as if the residence was his own.
Yeah, he act like this is his shit. Like you just sitting there reading, then there's a car. And it's like somebody is there. That's weird. You sure that wasn't his place? Cause I mean, he just sitting there like like nothing going on. Well, he was throwing it away like. It, oh, fuck.
If you're watching this, then I'm already dead.
I'm gonna give me a bed. I'm gonna get. Ah, you motherfucker. Like, is this jump like halfway out or something? Why the fuck did it cut off? Shit, hold on. I don't know. I'm tripping. But yeah, I'm gonna give me a bed. What y'all think? Y'all think I should get a
This
bed?
disturbing video was recorded by a Ring camera in Henderson, Nevada.
Oh,
a
hell
woman was
no.
pursued by a man, prompting her to ring the doorbell in hopes of finding assistance.
What the fuck?
If anyone can identify this pair, please promptly contact the Henderson, Nevada Police Department.
That dude brave. Like, you kidnapped somebody in broad daylight. Like, people just, I don't know.
Our sincere wish is for her to be located safely.
You better be fighting. She not even fighting. You better be kicking it all. Like, what are you doing?
Castle, Pennsylvania.
Why is this dude? Why he didn't leave yet? Why he still walking back and forth? This white car still been sitting there.
Observe the number of police vehicles that passed by, despite the apparent
Did he
In
just
Savannah.
say what's up? You better go get your pack. You talking about what's up?
Georgia, an individual was spotted at a homeowner's porch at 5:30 in the morning. The unfamiliar woman was engaged in some
That's why I like my property won't have to have a fence. I'm sorry. Electrical fence at that. Every time you touch my fence, you get shot. I'm done.
activity on the porch. It appears as though she may
I
be
can't. I can't trust nobody. Well, I mean, what's the need of you telling somebody that? Just ringing somebody's doorbell and telling somebody that?
You?
I can see if you knew the person,
Yes, can I help you?
but you just randomly come to somebody's door and tell somebody that somebody got a gun.
Yeah, there's somebody out here with a. There's somebody out here with a gun.
What?
Shoot a shot.
There's somebody outside with a gun.
I can tell you right now, he's drunk. He's messed up right now.
The homeowner observed from the external cameras that he did not approach the houses of the other neighbors. In Seattle, Washington, an individual trespassed on someone's property and urinated directly on their outdoor AC condenser. Ring guard stepped in, but he completed the act and then indicated he would depart with a thumbs-up gesture.
This is where security person by the fence. Disarm the system or leave the property immediately. If not, we will dispatch the police.
And they're sitting there pissing on the thing.
This incident occurred during daylight hours at 5 p.m.
That look,
in the Bronx.
That look creepy as hell.
Bronx, New York. A teenager forcibly kicked in the door of someone's residence, causing damage.
Like I said,
It's
you
worth
can't
noting
trust
that the young
nobody.
individual had an audience who encouraged him in this destructive act.
Yo, look.
In Tampa, Florida, a powerful hurricane was captured by a Ring camera.
Pigs.
The video vividly illustrates how the hurricane wreaks havoc on items located on the front porch.
Damn.
In Livingston, New Jersey, an attempted home invasion was recorded by a Ring camera. 3 individuals made an effort to access someone's residence, attempting both the garage window and the front door, but they were unsuccessful. This incident occurred at 12:30 a.m. on October 6th. In Savannah, Georgia, this individual was observed on several occasions attempting to unlawfully enter someone's apartment. He appears to be another one of those individuals who fiddles with doorknobs, so it's advisable to keep your doors securely locked.
You said they're fiddling with doorknobs.
In Las Vegas, Nevada, a woman left a note indicating that she had misplaced her iPhone and suspected it might be inside the house. She also mentions her intention to return.
I mean, is this your house? Is this your place? Get more on the camera. So you saying you misplaced it? Unless it's your friend or something.
Upon discovering that the door was unlocked, the man
Another fiddler. You fiddling with the doorknob.
promptly walked away.
You don't crack, man. Are you on some kind of dope?
Be attempting to gain entry. aware of an unusual situation. A massive tree collapses onto the ground right in front of him. Fortunately, he reacted promptly, halting at the appropriate moment and stepping back to safety.
Damn.
If you could imagine your ideal way of working, what would it look like? Monday.com can make it your reality.
Alright, I'm gonna end it right there. I'm not watching this whole hour. But yeah, if y'all wanna go and watch it, y'all know what y'all gotta do. Go to the channel and check it out. There you go. But yeah, I hope y'all like the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and I'll let y'all later. Peace.